Okay, today I am going to teach you solve linear equation in two variables by cross multiplication method. Okay, so we have already learned elimination method. I taught elimination method. Now I am going to teach you cross multiplication method. Okay, how to solve the same type of simultaneous equation. The linear equation in two variables is also known as simultaneous equation. Okay, because both the work of both the equations goes simultaneously together, that is why they are called simultaneous equation. Okay, now before solving this, I just want to show you the standard form of both the equation. Okay, how will it be? A1x, b1y and c1, a2x, b2y and c2. This is the standard form of both the linear equation. Okay, so any linear equations can be in this form first. Okay, linear equations should always be in this form. See here, first of all I want to tell you how to derive. Like there are many methods. I told you that cross multiplication method has two ways. One very shortcut method, by deriving the formula of x and y you can solve the problem. By cross multiplication method you can derive the formula of x as well as you can derive the formula of y. Okay, means you can get the formula. Okay, otherwise another method is there, long method is there, that also in that method also you have to derive the formula only. I will just tell you how to derive. First I will teach you first method. Okay, how to derive the formula of x. If you have to find the value of x directly, after looking this, if you have to get the value of x directly, then how to do? Got my point? So I will just teach you here. You just see here, direct formula of x and direct formula of y. To get direct formula, first of all, let me solve this equation by elimination method. If you apply the elimination method in these two standard form of the equation, then you will get the value of x, formula of x, how to find the value of x directly, how to find the value of y directly. Okay, so what to do? To apply elimination method, one term must be eliminated, either x term or y term. So we have decided that we are going to eliminate y term. Okay, you see here b1y, it is b2y, y same, but you see coefficients are different, no? b1, b2. So we have to multiply this one by b2 so that it will be b1, b2 and y. Got my point? And this we need to multiply by b1. If I multiply by b1, again it will be also b1, b2 and y. It will be same or not?
Yes, sir.
Got my point? So let me multiply by b2 first. a1 b2x plus b1 b2y is equal to b2 c1. Are you getting me? I multiplied this first term by b1, again the second term by b1 and the third term by b1. The same pattern in which we learned the elimination method. Okay, now by b1 I have to multiply this, so I can write a2 b1x plus b1 b2y is equal to b1 c2. Okay, now you see here, this is, you directly you can do the long method, you can do in shortcut method also you can do. You see here, it is equation number 3rd, it is 4th. Okay, okay, see here, you can do here the term which you are going to eliminate, the term which you are going to eliminate, you see same sign, no? Okay, so just to eliminate it we have to subtract these two. Only by subtracting these two terms can be eliminated, but plus sign are there, plus are there, no? So it cannot be subtracted. Just to subtract it we have to change the sign of this or not. If you change the sign of this, then you have to change the sign of this also. You have to change the sign of this. It is the shortcut method. Okay, you can do directly in this way also. First, you have to think. You have already decided that you are going to eliminate this. To eliminate this, what will you do? You will subtract. You will subtract these two. To subtract, you have to see the sign should be different to be subtracted. So it is plus, it is also plus. It cannot be subtracted. So we have to change the sign of the lower term. Okay. So plus change into minus. Now when you change this, you have to change this also. You have to change this also. Got my point?
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
Now you can write by subtracting third and fourth we get. Okay? By subtracting, these two can be cancelled or not? No need to subtract here. Okay, directly I am subtracting here only. Okay, so that it will be solved. Now you see here. Now these should be subtracted by this. Okay, means these two will be subtracted. We have to write in the form of difference. B1 B2x minus A2 B1x is equal to B2 C1 minus B1 C2. Okay. Now you see here x can be taken as the common factor. X is out. Therefore, x is equal to B2 C1 B1 C2 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. This is how we find the value of x. If you have to find the value of x, you can apply this formula and you can find the value of x. I will apply it. I will use this formula and solve the problem. Okay. This is how we have to find the formula of x. Direct. You don't have to do all these things. When you solve this problem, you don't have to show all these steps. You can directly apply x is equal to. When you do by cross multiplication method, you can directly write x equal to this. Only I have shown here that how why x is equal to this. How this came. I derived it. Okay. Now here you see we have eliminated y term. So we got the value of x, formula of x we got. Now if you want to get the formula of y, you just eliminate x term. You will get the formula of y. Are you getting me or not? So this is by eliminating y term we got the formula of x. Now if you eliminate the x term, you will get the formula of y. In the same pattern, if you solve, you will get the formula of y. Okay? I am directly writing the formula of y. Okay? So how to do? I will just show you. You just eliminate this term. How to eliminate? Just to eliminate this, you have to multiply this by a2. Look here. Just to eliminate. Now you have eliminated y term, got the value of x. Now you will eliminate x term, you will get the value of y. Formula of y you will get. Okay? You will obtain formula of y by eliminating x term. Now how to eliminate x term? Very simple. To multiply this by a2, then it will be a1 a2x. If you multiply this by a1 a2x or not, again we have to subtract. By a2 you are multiplying this, then you have to multiply this also, you have to multiply this also. Okay, all will be multiplied. Here by a1 all three terms will be multiplied. After that again you have to go for the same process. You have to again change the sign to subtract. By subtracting third and fourth we get directly, you can write like this and you can get the value of y. Okay. The value of y will be, I am directly writing here. Okay. Value of y will be just see here. It will be y common. We are going to multiply a2. No. a2 b1 minus a1 b2 equal to a2 c1 minus a1 c2. So therefore y equal to a2 c1 minus a1 c2, I am not showing you the long process because I have already shown one, no? So this you can obtain yourself. You can do this. Okay. This is how we can derive the formula of y. Okay? You copy it down.